Okay, this is a before cleaning the 60 Plymouth radio. It's pretty bad, but I think it works. So that's before. I've already started digging into this one, and it looks like it's going to come out pretty darn good. Anyways, these are the knobs. So this, like I said, this is the 60 Plymouth radio. Here, really, this was the deluxe. This is a model 101. It's a deluxe. I don't know if this was considered the stock radio for a 60 Plymouth, but anyways, I'm going to send this off to Scott too, so he needs a radio. It looks like it's going to clean up. The guy said it's faint, but I mean, the main thing is just the plate. We'll see how this thing cleans up. I bet money it cleans up pretty good. This stuff's already starting to come. I was surprised. It looks like it's just faint stuff. All this stuff in here. It went from this to this in about 10 seconds. So we'll see. This is the after. It turned out pretty darn good. There's a little bit of something up here, but I think Plymouth only shows this much. So it turned out really good. I think Scott's gonna. I think this stuff's all hidden actually. Yeah, and buttons work pretty good. Probably needs some cleaning up eventually inside of it. I think maybe I'll leave that one to Scott, but turns really good. So yeah, it's got these guys here. I guess I should have done like a really cool cleaning video, like when those are a restoration video, but I don't understand. I guess it's not a double button or nothing. It's not a fade or nothing. It's just two big giant buttons that have these black covers on them. Yeah, the buttons cleaned up really. They're like almost perfect. There's a little bit of peppering, I guess you'd say, but they're almost, you can't really even tell. There's no big pitting in these. I thought these would be pitted, and I saw it was really bad initially, but that one's a little. It's not spinning now. Oh, only goes so far. Oh, is that the emergency band? I think that's the emergency band. Once it goes there, you're like, come on, go. Oh, there it goes. I think that's the emergency band, the 5.4. I don't know. Only goes up to there. I guess you can't go to 16. Anyways. Pretty funny. I'm going to actually put some new plexiglass. This thing's a little, it's got some haze in it, so I'll probably just cut a piece of plexiglass I got. So then I'll send it off to Scott with some other stuff I got.